Hello, so I'm going to show you a couple of do's and don'ts that you want to keep an eye out for the donkey to hydrant. First up, you don't want to arch your back here or use momentum as you are completing the exercise. It throws off your form and it decreases the effectiveness of the exercise itself. You also don't want to have your leg just swinging back and forth, forward and back like that. You want to keep it nice and controlled. You don't want to have any arching at the back, as you can see here. You want to keep your core nice and straight. As you can see, it throws off the entire form and entire balance by not controlling your core and keeping everything tight. So here I will show you a proper way of doing the donkey to hydrant. So again, you want to keep your core nice and tight, nice and straight. Keep your legs ready and go, ready to go and flexed. Straight up and back. Slow down. Slow out to the side. And then slow back in. And then back out. And continue that, and that'll increase the effectiveness of the exercise that you're doing. Have a great day.